Nabeeks, Art ACR, how are we? Thanks, Hard ACR. What's up, Ripierno? I know it's gonna be a good day, Rip. I'm gonna make some money today. I'm gonna scalp the shit out of it. I'm a little bit in an underwater short right now, though. I'm not gonna lie. I already grabbed a short. I'm a little underwater, but I see this coming down very soon. By the end of the day. By the end of the day, this comes down. Heavy right here. Everybody see this? Heavy. Everyone knows what this means. Everyone knows what this means. Damn. For a short? Like 16.6. Jinx. It just looks heavy. It just looks heavy, fam. Let's be real. It looks heavy. Let me show you what heavy looks like, fam. That's what heavy looks like. That's what heavy looks like, fam. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy hump day. Hope we're all having a good week. I know I am. It's been good as far as trading goes. We're gonna talk about what happened, why I went long, how I saw the move, blah blah blah. Hopefully you can learn something from that. That long last night. How I took advantage of that, how I just kind of watched it walk up. Might jump out of this short soon because I prematurely grabbed it a little bit low. But either way, we won't talk about the short. We will talk about the long, fam. And this is actually a very, very clean long, fam. So basically, we came down here. We talked about I think on Monday. I believe Monday, yeah. Monday we talked about how these convergence of prices make volatility boxes, okay? So we're just looking on a price action standpoint now. But what happened, we got to talk about what happened to see where we are now. So we came down, and when I started the stream, we had made this wick here, and I said that I wanted a lower wick. Why did I want a lower wick? Because you see this convergence of price, it makes a point of control. And all you gotta do is put it at the tip like that. You literally all you have to do is you draw the triangle like I did, draw the pennant, the flag, right? And at the end of the pennant, you draw a box, right? You draw a box. End of the pennant, draw a box. I also talked about how we could still go down to this 15.8 level, but I was not waiting for that opportunity. I saw a good opportunity here when we had the 1 make an hourly bullish divergence. 2, we did make that. We hit this second box, the second convergence of price. Like I said, we have not tested this 15.8 level. Maybe we do test that level. Maybe we get a shakeout there before we move up higher, if we are to move up higher. We'll come to that when we get down to these lower levels again. But for right now, we're just going to talk about how this price bounced. So we came down here. We had this diagonal price action. You could have drawn it 2 ways. You could have drawn it like this, or you could have drawn it really. And I'm not gonna lie, I drew it like this. So this is how I drew it. And so We came down here, we broke down, and you can see the convergence of price here. So I drew a box there. We broke down here, right? Monday, we spent down here. And what's nice about this is I don't think people realize is like, this was the weekly open. So we dove down. Here's our weekly open. Okay, we have the weekly open. I'll put that weekly open line here. Boom, weekly open happened. The first move on the weekly open, we go down and test those lows. So we filled in some gaps, the fair value gaps here. 2, 1, 2, the two convergences of price, 2 fair value gaps. We filled these in, boom, 1, 2, bounced, retest. Look at this, lower low. Talk about price action again, higher low, and then we made the move up. This is where it got really, really cool, and I confirmed the long. So we took the long from 16K. I even said specifically, I'd rather have this. I got out of a long here, basically a break even. I'd rather have this long, and we're gonna go up here and we're gonna close it at the highs, which we ended up doing. So took the long at 16K, closed it at 16,480. I wanted, and people were like, well, we're gonna short now. The problem is you're not gonna short every pump and long every dip. That's not how this works. So I wanted to see how this price action worked out. So here we are, we're holding the weekly open. You can see retest. All right, we held it, boom, boom. We lost the weekly open. Look how this weekly open played on the 15-minute time frame. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Break out of this little pennant here, right? This was kind of a compression of price, whatever you want to call it. Not the cleanest, but we had a little deviation there, whatever. But we had this compression there. We broke out of the compression. Boom. Look at that. Right then, first off, I took the long down here, just seeing that we were compressing, and I was like, all right, this is an easy invalidation. See this gap here? This was resistance. Now it's support. Easy invalidation. I'll just go ahead and put my, and was a really tight stop loss. You asked the Discord. We took it at 16,360 with a stop loss of 16,298. And then we took the long, okay? I said the first one was going to be 16.5. It took us a while to get to that 16.5, but once we broke out, again, we went and we tested. Once we broke out here, retested this weekly open, retested the weekly open again. So now the weekly's green, fam. We're up here, the weekly's green. But what concerns me now is, here we are, we go to the 4 hour. We're just talk about, like I said, basic price action. We go to the 4 hour and look at all these wicks up here, the 4 hour, right? If I were to draw a little box here at all these top wicks, we're there, basically, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is resistance. This is key resistance. Hence why our second TP was 17.2. I was hoping to get 17.2. I didn't get the 17.2. I don't know what's exchange. Some people said they got 17.2 in my chat, but I didn't get the 17.2. So I closed. I closed out the rest of my long. I'm actually looking to the short side, fam. Unfortunately, we are at range high. People are getting euphoric here. This is where people are going to want a long. Or could we sweep this? We could totally sweep this. And if it looks like we're going to go sweep this, we retake on the lower levels like 16,850, 16,860. We take that and it looks like we're going to sweep up higher. I will just jump out of this short and then ladder in a little bit higher. But I do think this is going down. All right. Couple things to look at. Let's look at the weekly candle. It is Wednesday, fam. A lot can change with this weekly candle. Good things. Let's talk about the positivity. The weekly candle is green. We went down here, made a new low wick. Not a new low, but a new low wick. It's green. Volatile is kicking up on this candle. That's technically bullish. All right, let's go through all the important time frames. Again, it's Wednesday. We have 4 days left. We had the 3-day close yesterday, fam. All right, and this is my real concern. Short term. I mean, like today, tomorrow, and the next day. We have 3 days left. All right, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days to end the week with legacy markets. So we're gonna have the 3 days left, end of the week, the legacy markets. On this candle. So this is going to be the rest of the week on the legacy markets, fam. There's no volatility here. So this concerned me. Maybe the volatility kicks up when Powell says, you know what, we're looking at a quarter rate hike next month. We're really going to tamper things down on the hikes. You know, maybe the volatility kicks up. All the buyers come in hot. Boom. Perfect. But this concerns me. You do not want this. There was no compression in this 3-day. This 3-day doesn't look finished. But what does look finished, fam, and I really like this. Now, there's 6 days left in this candle. I'm going to get rid of all the drawings. And we're just talking about the volatility right now, fam. Understand the difference here. What I'm talking about with all the lines and stuff is completely different than I'm talking about the candle shape and the volatility. The 10-day has a beautiful pivot, fam. And I saw it early. Believe it or not, we opened this 10-day. Where was the opening on the 10-day? 16,451. When we opened this 10-day and we first started to pump a little bit, 4 days ago, we did pump a little bit. I think we went up to like 16.7. I saw this kick up on volatility. Then we went down and it went flat. So there was no kick up on volatility down. That's why I got bullish. Many people don't understand why I got bullish, but that's why I was looking days ahead of you guys. And I was like, man, I'm buying lows, and that's still my ultimate plan. I'm not going to be looking for 14K quite yet. We talked about how the weekly, all right, here, let me pull this up. Let me pull a new chart real quick. Let me pull up a new. All right, we talked about the weekly Bollinger Bands, and the basic bitch bands is what my nickname is, fam. And we're going to talk about the history of the basic bitch bands. And I would argue right now that we're more compressed than we were at these other ones. But either way, it doesn't really matter. It's a basic concept. You hit the bottom of this, you move sideways. We're just gonna call them sideways. It doesn't matter up or down, right? Sideways. So there we go. Hit the bottom, sideways. Right? Hit the bottom, sideways. Look at how long we went sideways here, fam. All right? Hit the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, sideways. Now this sideways is not considering down or up. This short sideways did go down for continuation. All right? This sideways went up. This sideways went up at first, right? You got up, some chop, sideways, up, chop. The point is huge range is chop. I see the same thing happening here, especially with the volatility. Again, volatility kicking up on this weekly. So we're not going to see any lower yet, fam. All right? On the daily, the fact that the daily is compressed, all right, we're going to get rid of the Bollinger Bands. Let's back to that weekly. So that's why I'm not going to be like calling for a low. Are we going to probably see macro lower? Yes, I probably are going to see macro lower. Is there a time for some relief? Definitely. Definitely. And that's what I want to play. I want to play the relief. But you go over here, the daily print, like I said, is compressing into this move up. Don't like it. All right. Another thing. Everyone knows how I like my 21 EMA and my 50 EMA. All right. 21 EMA and my 50 EMA. Here's the 21 EMA on the daily. Tested that for the first time today. Usually we see a rejection there, and it's a great short opportunity. Not always, but usually. All right. So here we go. Boom. First test right here. Look at that. Actually, oh, fuck, man. All the way back. First test here, we actually broke above it. It was a very clean break, and then we went down below. Point is, we're right around that area, right? 21 EMA on the daily. I think we're going to see a short, then a long, and then we're going to see in the 17Ks, fam. You teach also how to trade based on Bollinger Bands. Yeah, I mean, I don't trade on just Bollinger Bands. I use basic Bollinger Bands as just a reference. I use them as a reference. I don't actually trade on Bollinger Bands. Some people do. They use the 5-minute, and that's great. You don't have to use Bollinger Bands, to be honest. You could use what was I say? Spaceman ribbons. So Spaceman's got some good ribbons. There's some good ribbons out there. I would actually trade the Spaceman ribbons over trading Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are really, really good for large time frames, for macro swings, fam. Really, really good. My private Discord I have to offer. So sign up on Bing right there. Right? Let's go. So, oh shoot, sorry, Bing X. Okay, sign up on Bing X right there. You sign up with my referral. Show me a screenshot in my Discord, and you get free access to my premium. That's the promo right now. Sign up with Bing X. Send me a screenshot in Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord though. You can join the Discord for free. Join the Discord for free. Join. And then hold on. I gotta watch my move. I gotta watch my trade here. Taking a little L here. Ugh. Yeah, the volatility's picking up. I just know, like, all right, I could take a little bit. What's this loss here? Oh, it's not that bad. What is that? 1.7%. Oh, it's coming back down. Okay. Okay, I see that. See, look at it. This is the volatility right here, fam. All right, and before I get distracted, I want to talk about the 4-hour 21 EMA and the 50 EMA cross. That's another reason I got bullish yesterday, and we bought that 16 360 area, fam. Okay, we're compressing a little bit up here. Markets just open. Let's see where the markets go. S&P. I mean, the data was what? Nothing. Look at it. This is not good. Compression in this 15-minute on the S&P. 1 hour is compressing. I like that. I think we're gonna go lower. I'm gonna stay in the short. Fuck it. I'm just gonna stay in the short, fam. I'm just gonna stay in the short. You can also see right here. This is cool, right? Like we're gonna put the teaching chart up. Oh, hold on. Let's talk about the 4-hour cross. So another reason I got bullish yesterday, fam. A lot of people don't use this shit, dude. But look at this. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you how ugly this shit was. All right, here's the replay. Right, you see when the yellow crosses above the blue, it's bullish. We have bullish price action here. You see it, bullish. We drop down low. This is where it gets interesting. Right here, we break above. Watch, we break above. And look how ugly this 4-hour is. But look how tight the 21 EMA and 50 EMA get. They never cross down bearish again. And boom, bullish move up. Big move up. Damn. That was a big pump. What the fuck are we doing right now? Is that it? Was that the pump? Oh, this 4 hours compressed, man. Ugh. I hate being on the wrong side of a trade. That 4 hours a fucking sell signal. Ugh. 2 hours a bullish. Oh, you see this? This is a bearish cross right here on the 2 hour. Oh, God. All right, so look, we're gonna just break this shit down, fam. All right, so after the teaching, you guys got all that, right? We talked about these boxes. I'm gonna get rid of these boxes. We don't need these boxes anymore. All right, so this box, right? We got this box, really a huge pivot right here. We got the weekly open. We got this box. Look at this huge convergence of price. There's a box there. Kind of like the level. This is the level we're holding right here. Okay, man. I'm bearish today. I'm just like, the charts are bearish today. The charts are bearish today, right, fam? Like, gotta fucking be. Maybe not the S&P. This would technically be a bearish retest. Ugh. What to do, fam? What to do? I'll tell you what we need to do. We need to put on some music. We need to put on some music. Just talk about some alts, probably. Back down, baby.
Hey, so. 'Cause. 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 'Cause.
back down to daddy. Come back down to daddy. What's going on with Chills? Oh no, Band Wolf, yo, thank you for that follow. Appreciate you. Awooks, how are you? Abino, no worries, man. On which days of the week do you have lessons? Whenever I get around to them, to be honest, like like when the price action's boring, I guess. When you know, like I'm going big on this my scalp account. Come on, it's time to go down, fam. All right. Look at that. Have faith in your plan, Savage. I'll tell you what, I got some of the worst paper hands. I'll admit that, dude. I got some paper hands when it comes to trade. I hate being underwater, dude. I got some paper hands. It fucking drives me crazy. Sometimes, dude, this paper hands, I'll be losing money on the paper hands at a loss, and it'll fucking go my way. And it happens all the time. I tell my stories because I want you to learn from them, you know? Look at that. Okay. This is a little bit more bullish because it's see how there's maybe not. Ripple, let's look at Ripple, huh? Bringing up the alt charts, baby. Learns same. This learns patience. I know. I haven't done that recently, but I've like I don't know, like a fucking month ago or something. I did it a couple times in like a week. I was just, you know, kills you confidence and mentally. And you get jaded. XRP looks You know what? It's always best to look at the last one that closed. So we got the 3-day. I feel like XRP is done. Does not look good. It's hard to say. XRP right now is at kind of a weird spot. So there's a pivot here. So that pivot's probably coming down though. This is going to turn red. Ripple will probably come down today with Bitcoin. So I'm glad you asked that because it looks like Ripple is really bearish. But we got this big pump. Ethereum is very bearish, fam. Compression in this candle. It's pretty bearish today. We're talking today, fam. Like, it's not a guaranteed though. You gotta realize that we could continue to compress up. We did that all the way to 69K. And you got, if this is accumulation, fam, we're gonna do this. Oh, this is a perfect song. No. Fam, if this is accumulation, this is what we're gonna do. You know? It's not gonna be. We might do this. Maybe that. Doesn't matter. Like the you're gonna do sideways. We're not gonna see this huge run. But I think what we're gonna go into right here, and I can't believe I'm saying this, I think we're gonna kind of make a move. 20.6. Fuck, we're pumping again. They are trying, man. I better kill the music. That way you guys can hear it on a VOD. Ethereum. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour looks heavy is. But I bet you hit that. Uh Staying short, fam. Staying short. I don't think it's a bad area to be short. It's an easy invalidation. I wish I got a better entry though. That's it. Heavy on this one. Look at this. Heavy. Okay, I want to look at Solana. Frankly, I have a huge fucking bag of that shit. Solana looks really bad. This is a really bad candle for daily on Solana. Low volatility, high wick, big wick, big wick. There's people selling here. Big wick on Solana. Really worries me, fam. I'm trying to get out above 20. I don't know if we're gonna get that retest. We need help. Bitcoin's help though. Matic, what the fuck, dude? Look at this, fam. You guys remember when I drew this? It still hasn't even happened. This is the bearish retest. Still hasn't even happened. You can't short Matic yet. It actually looks a little bit decent right here. Ay, ay. Crazy, dude. Never ending. Avalanche, bearish. We got a move coming. It might be to the downside. I might be very, very Link. Ooh, that is just 3-day. Let's check the 3-day link. I'd short Link here in a heartbeat. Definitely could go to range high though. I mean, look at Link. Link's got a very, very clean. So clean, dude. This range. Oh my goodness. I don't know. You could take a chance shorting here with the low volatility, and that's a pretty horrible candle. But I feel like you have to wait for the range high up here. Although you are mid range, that's cute. That's cute. I know he is. Rippier, no, I know he is. I'm looking forward to it, which is why I'm just gonna stay short. Tron Sav, Tron, give us the Tron outlook, Sava. Need Tron, fam. Tron is manipulated as a motherfucker right now on the 3-day. Woo. Haley's technically bearish. That might be it really depends. A lot of the candles could go either way today depending on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, a lot of alts are going to be. There's a lot of short signals I see on alts. So that means it suggests that Bitcoin's going to dump from here, right? Ethereum bull flagging on what time frame? Let's see if that's. Oh, it kind of is, isn't it? Well, Ethereum is bull flagging. Holy shit, dude. Well, I guess Bitcoin is. I don't know. I guess you gotta wait for that to break out, though. That if that is a flag, heck sweat. All right, right. Guess then. Good call. Yo, Real Shadow, my man. How are you? Thank you for that, bro. I didn't even think about that, dude. It worries me though. This volatility. Ugh. It worries me, man. Uh, does S&P have that flag? No. The shorting is off. Crypto noob. I'm gonna stay short, but I'm definitely gonna watch that flag type structure. I'm gonna stay short though. Yeah. Ethereum's flag looks a lot better than Bitcoin's, but is it a fake out or maybe it's not a fake out? Maybe JP sends it up. Yeah, I'm gonna stay short for now. I kind of, to be honest, I guess it's best to get out. It might be better just to get out, fam. I'm not gonna lie. The markets have been so manipulated lately, and we've definitely been taking advantage of the manipulation, like being with the manipulation. I just feel like get a couple good wins under your belt. There's no reason to take some losses. From that underwater. I definitely am more in my big account though. Yo, we're gonna do on some music real quick. Oh, a spot I think is a great position. I'm buying spot. Not gonna wait for 14K, fam. I think spot's a great idea. Period. You can't go wrong with spot. Like you can, if you know how to short, you just hedge it. How we doing? We all good? I decided to stay short. Yeah, fam. Yeah, Vin, I'd love to, man. I'd love to. Let's see what a good. See, I'm trying to think. You know what? Here, hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on, I'm pulling up an exchange. Okay, you ready? All right, so look, we're gonna pull up Being X here. All right, and I got no money in here. But let's say you had money in this standard futures. Hold on, let me pause 50 cent real quick. Okay, so basically what you do is, right, you throw some money on an account. So let's say you own 3 Bitcoin. Okay, you own 3 Bitcoin. You want to hedge 3 Bitcoin. Let's say you own 1 Bitcoin. Let's just make this very simple. You want to hedge a 1 Bitcoin position. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is 16.8. Price were to go down to $8,000, you'd want to be in a hedge if the price goes down. If you own 1 Bitcoin, right? If the price goes down, you want to make money when the price goes down. That way, you lose less money on the value of your Bitcoin, right? Makes sense. So you put some money on an exchange, all right, and you can go long or short, and you basically click short. Use this money, right? And you want to use some leverage. You'll have to use leverage, unfortunately, but you can use the low leverage and put a lot of money on there. You can put like $1,000 in there, some low leverage. And there's a way there's a way to have, there's a way to calculate exactly how much leverage, how much money you want to hedge in your position. You could definitely do that. It's much easier, but generally speaking, you're going to want to use extremely low leverage, a decent amount on here, because if you own 1 Bitcoin, you own $16,800 of the value of 1 Bitcoin. You probably want to put like a couple $1,000s on here. Let's say five times leverage. Wait till I give like, hey, you know, this is the top of a range kind of call. Like you could take a short here. You could wait to take a short, maybe 17K. I think there's a possibility we could hit back up to the 18, 19K area. So I would maybe even wait higher to short there. But let's say if I was extremely bearish right here, being like, oh my God, I'm expecting 14K next week or at the end of this week. If I was extremely bearish right here, and you could easily take a short here as well. The low leverage is going to keep your liquidation price really high. Okay. And that therefore, no matter what the price goes to, you know, and you got to think about it. It's a hedge. So let's say if you have $2,000 and you use 5 times leverage and you lose that $2,000, let's say your liquidation is like 22K. We go pump up to 22K. Well, your one value in Bitcoin went from 16,000 to 22K, went up $6,000, and you lost $2,000 in a hedge. You basically gained $4,000. You had your hedge. You lost the $2,000. You did get liquidated in that $2,000 hedge. But the point is, it's a hedge, right? Like you're not gonna be completely. You're basically minimizing your losses both ways. Yo, what's up? It's Hasib. So you could do that. You basically deposit, right? You know, on Bing, you deposit your money right there. You go to short, you hit low leverage, right? Liquidation price right here. And this is, you got to realize that this is isolated margin, but if you wanted to use cross margin right here, right, it will show you what your liquidation price would be, depending on how much money you're doing. But if you're not doing cross margin and you do isolated margin like this, it'll tell you 5x liquidation price is going to be 19.8K at the current short at the current range, and a long liquidation price, this is really cool, is 13,825 at a 5x long on whatever amount you use here. This is an isolated margin. So isolated margin, cross margin puts everything at your wallet in your wallet at risk, I mean your trading wallet. And then isolated margin does just does that. The only thing you put at risk is what you put into this trade instead of your whole wallet. So if you use $1,000, that's the only thing you're risking. You have $2,000 in your wallet, but you risk $1,000, you're only risking that $1,000 on isolated margin versus cross margin, and it's a lot more dangerous. So yeah, I mean, that's how you would you could do this. You know, you could literally just send the money to an exchange and do this, and it's easy to do. And you should you know, I use a VPN. I like to be on a anonymous network always. It's safer, you know, hacking, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I mean, it's really cool too. I'll tell you what, the first time I ever shorted, fam, it was like one of those things where I was like, this is so cool, like I just shorted, you know. And like, you just feel happy, you have so much power because now you can play the market both directions. But don't get fancy, don't get cute and try to trade every up and down move. Like, I'm trying to get cute here and say that we're gonna go back down right here. Okay, we went up, now the law of gravity says we're gonna go back down, but I have a lot of variables that I'm looking at that suggest we go back down. I'm not just playing like, oh my god, I'm like short a bear or anything. I don't really care about all that. So this is, again, you can, you know, go sign up with Bing right now. You get $100 for signing up. Get $100, go trade with that $100. Turn into some real money, $500, whatever. Short it, low leverage, and yeah, it's, I don't know. I think it gives you a lot of power if you learn how to short. Definitely a lot of power. It gives you that good feeling. So, you know, go over there, !BingX, go sign up. That's one way you can short. I'm glad you asked that. That's a great question. It's not a dumb question. There's no dumb questions, fam. Definitely no dumb questions. Okay, so we're still flagging here a little bit. You know, God, man. Like, doesn't want to die. Of course, it's S&P that doesn't want to die. Is S&P finally going down here, fam? That's what I'd like to see. I'd like to definitely see the S&P go down. There we go. S&P is dropping. Hopefully get Bitcoin to drop with it. That would be lovely. Here we go, fam. This is what we want to see. Okay, so we see, again, it does look like a bear, but I'm staying short because look, you can see this pivot, right? And the pivot's on a green blue candle, whatever your candle for up is. But unfortunately, fam, this pivot right here should have been on the red candle. So if that was the pivot there, instead this went lower volatility, and we've just kind of what do you call it? They rigged the game up, and then you come back down. So it doesn't look too flaggy to me. I get it. I get that Ethereum looks much flaggier. But watch out, fam. Watch out. Lots of traps out there left by CZ Binance himself. Yo, Mister. Yo, what's up, my man? ENS, no problem. ENS, let's pull up ENS. But yeah, we got the flag possible. Let's pull up ENS. We were looking at ENS recently, I think. ENS, yeah, we were looking at ENS. Let's look at the daily. I want to start with that daily volatility. Low volatility, fam. Oh man, these could go what looks a little wedgy here. This could go either way though. This could go, kind of looks like it could go parabolic, don't it? But the low volatility is super bearish. You have a cross coming? Oh my god. It could go either way, man. ENS could go either way. I'm not gonna lie. This is a kind of a weird. Look at this cross. That cross happens. That's. Look at some EMAs and MAs here. Caught the 21 EMA. Ooh. God, the low volatility is what I don't like. But if Bitcoin pumps on some JP bullish news, man. Fam, what do we say about staying in that short? Yes. Anyways, go back to ENS. ENS, God, Bitcoin's gonna have to stay up for some of these coins. And fam, there she goes. Down with the wind. We go, go, go. Up it. Oh, man, good stretch, fam. Got a lot of rap going on. All right, let's look at some more alts. Let's look at Quant. I've been hearing a lot about Quant. Quant Daily looks good. Not gonna lie. Quant Daily looks good, fam. Look at this bullish divergence right here. Higher low, fam? Talk about that shit, right? This is some fucking clean ass shit, dude. Look at this. What we talking? Made that lower low. Didn't continue trend right there. That was it. So clean, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I might get in some Q&T. And I think you can only get spot. You can't even leverage it. KNC. Yeah, I am. I'm short. Keep bouncing though. I wouldn't take Q&T very far though. I'd go to 159. Like a spot swing. This 4 hours got to come down more in the next 55 minutes though. Can I share my chart? No, I'm not feeling the share the chart. I share it from time to time. I'm not sharing it though right now. I share it time to time though. If you have any questions though, I'll tell you any of the indicators or anything like that. But I made this chart yesterday, and I tend to make charts every single day, and this is just it's my baby right now. Today is my baby. Tomorrow might not be. Hey, what's up, Don Javi? Just over here chilling in my short, baby. Does look a little flaggy though, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Fuck. What to do, fam? Dude, it's a really important decision, fam. It really is, because I did not want to be on the wrong side of a pump. Okay, we need to break. We need to do some more research here, fam. Pulling up the system. Fucking flag shit going on over here. What's that 5 minute look like? Hot still. Broken structure. Okay, we like that. We want to see that broken structure here. Gosh, stop bumping. Stop it. It's got to come down further, baby. It's just got to come down further. Trying to find the move, fam. Oh, it looks like it's up on that candle. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. The meme line doesn't always work, so. Okay, let's look at the trend line here. A little trendy trend. Right there, right? Here's another meme line. Well, we flag it back to here. If we flag it, right? So we're gonna want to see a flag. Like if we're flagging it, we're gonna flag it to there. Got a wick down on here somewhere. Yeah, I think this short's gonna be okay. I'll at least get out. I'll at least get out in a little bit of profit minimum. Or this just falls off a cliff. But we could be here for a while, fam. We could, man, I showed you that bullish cross in the 4 hour. Daily has the 21 EMA right above it, but fuck, man, what is JPP gonna do? What is JP gonna be doing, dude? What's he gonna be doing? What's JP doing? Scum of the earth right there, dude. Fuck is he doing, man? You think so? Yeah, JP ruins the fun too in the party. Yeah, that's what I don't like. Ugh. Just gonna watch it crawl down. Crawl down. At least we got like, at least we have some like down channel thing going here, right? If it's a bear flag, it's going in a downward channel. I feel like Bitcoin is just one of those assets. It sucks these longs in up here. All these people get bullish and then it drops a few $100 and then we consolidate lower. We grab our longs lower. We're not grabbing longs here, fam. We're grabbing longs lower. I know what's fucking doing. They're really doing this shit. This 10 minutes. I'm gonna know in 10 minutes what the fuck's gonna happen. If I'm fucking getting out at a loss or if I'm getting out at break even or profit a little bit. I'm gonna know in a second. 10 minutes I'll know. I'll literally know in 8 minutes what the move will be. Holding that fucking price though. I'm just about to fucking just get the fuck out. I can't deal with, I hate these fucking days, dude. Just can't deal with it. If y'all fucking leave, I'll get out and I'll just play video games. I'll go sleep or something. I'm joking. I'm joking. I might go sleep. I might go sleep. Like, I'll wait for this 10-minute candle to print and I'll know. We need music, fam. All right. We're gonna know here in a second, fam. Look, another reason I'm bearish, fam, is the 12-hour is expanding down. Right here. This is it. Oh, excuse me. I just think we'll at least work it sideways down for another move up. Bitcoin pumped before by pumping last night. Look at this too. Gotta love this. This is where you make the bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Really clean. Rico Barnes, thank you for that follow. So what if that happens? That move to 17.2, it'll go like this. Something like that on RSI, because it'll make that bearish divergence on that higher wick. We'll see though. $10-minute print. See what this looks like, fam. Yo, Yeetmeister, thank you for that sub. That prime sub, man. 4 months. Thank you, my man. Appreciate you using your sub on me. Oh, excuse me. Tired. I woke up early. Fam, woke up early. At this point, fam, I'm not gonna lie. I'm biased short. I'm biased short right now. I think it's a very dangerous day to be in a trade. I will say that flat out right now. It's a very dangerous day to be in a trade. There will be a Darth Maul type of wick candle. I guarantee it. That goes down, up, up, down, whatever. Maybe wait for the news, then trade. But But I think I'm gonna get out at this short break even. If I can get out of the short, like my short is the short's at, it's not even that bad. Look, I'm basically there. So I'm like, I'm down $2.82. I'm not gonna lie, I'm down a lot more than that on my big account because I'm down 0.6%. So I'm probably down, I don't know, probably like $50 right now, $100, but still. This 282 looks like nothing, but this is my main scalp account, so. If we could scam pump first, let me just get out of my short though. Might just fucking call it quit right here. I want to get out, break even. And, oh, here we go. Look, what did I just say? I'll know after this 10-minute wants to fall. 10-minute wants to fall. They're trying to hold it. We'll know in 90 seconds. Bam, 90 seconds we're going to know. No, you don't, Yeetmeister, no one psyops me anymore. Yeetmeister, nobody psyops me anymore. I'm so past that, dude. I mean, it happens twice a year, we'll say. Maybe. But, like, I'm way past the psyops. I'm actually arrogant because I feel like you need to be arrogant to trust your own system and not trust anybody else's. And I don't want to sound like a dick or sound like I'm more arrogant by saying I'm arrogant, but I think that you just got to have a sense of confidence, a killer instinct in your own system. And even if you're wrong and you look back and someone told you, hey, it really was going the other direction, you can learn from that. But like, as far as conviction goes, I just have to have conviction in myself, right? It takes a long time to find conviction in yourself. Chili, okay. How big is it? I didn't think the notification was that big. Yeetmeister, it takes a long time to get that conviction, though, you know? It's being pinned right here. See what I tell you. Pivot. It looks like it's coming down, fam. From here, I mean, you know, short term, it's probably gonna hit that flag line. I think there's a flag line right here, so. Hourly Chad candle. You mean this one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. This. You're right. We do have, but they do that on purpose. They want it to just fucking slip and slide and fall, bro. They're gonna just slip in. They're gonna let that slip on down. They're probably gonna have another push. I just don't see it happening yet. Definitely gonna get out of this short. So I'm not in a good position. But as long as they hold this box right here, right? Okay. Look at this wick right here. That's the resistance. Support 16,742. So it could get that low. You can get to probably like 16.7 and still be okay. Oh, this is such good. All right, we're about, I think we're out. We're going to be out here. I'm out. I'm just going to take the $1.61 loss in my scalp account. I don't want to take the loss, though. I'm so stubborn. Give me my fucking break even, dude. This is like the most heavy candle that doesn't drop I've ever seen. I'm biased though. It's like, it's such a heavy candle and they won't let it drop. Just let it drop, fall down. It's the 4 hour. The 4 hour wants to drop down, fam. So hard. Look at this thing, dude. Look at this thing. It's a fucking death candle. Top of RSI, death candle. Let it fall. 15x. 10, 15x. This one's 15x. It's 15x. I'm out. I'm fucking done. Fucking pumping, dude. I'm out of my shorts. I'm out of my shorts, but I'm still gonna be looking for shorts later after the fake pump. I'll tell you that right now. Can't handle it. Yeah, 510x. I try to use size though. It's the only way you can make enough money trading is using size. Bam, I'm gonna call it. Thanks for coming by. I got wrecked on anything over 10. Dutch. Yeah. I'll fuck around with 20x sometime. Yeah, you make a lot of money off that? Dodge pumped, dude. Dodge pumped. Bam, gonna call it. Mad love. Appreciate all you. I hope you enjoyed the market update. I hope you learned something. I talk about how this move progressed to up here. Talking about why I'm a little bit bearish up here. I'm holding the price. I do see the flag on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Do watch it. It could easily break back up to 17.2 and come back down. That's really the line. I guess you could get a little bit higher than this box, but we hit the box, fam. I mean, I know it's 7.2. Okay, looks like the money spot, but I don't know if we're gonna get that. Let's see, 7240. Thank you, Hard ACR. John Javi, you as well. Mandalo, everybody enjoy your day. Have a great Wednesday. We'll do a class on Friday, I promise. So we'll do a last price action class and then go into time frames on Friday. Do that early in the morning. So let's do Friday class. Let's plan on that. I'll see you guys all then. If not tomorrow,